okay, how would you sketch the pattern seen on the screen for the single slit? Okay, so the single slit, the key thing you have to remember is, basically, when these waves, if they're coherent, lasers give us coherent waves, when they hit this slit, what's going to happen is basically every single point acts as a source of waves. So we've got all these waves that are going to come out, and all these waves are going to superpose. Now, when they superpose, we're getting an interference pattern formed on our screen. Now, because it is a coherent source, we're going to get an interference pattern that's observable, okay, one we can measure it from. Now, there's an equation here formed on the sheet that says that our fringe spacing is equal to the wavelength used times by the distance between our slits and our screen, divided by S, which is our slit space in there, so the size of that slit. Now, the key thing you need to remember for a single slit is that the central fringe is always double the size of the others. Okay, so let's say my central fringe I make like this. Oh, that's not a very good peek. So there's the size of my central fringe, and I can see that it covers 2 of those boxes, right? Now, what I want to do then is, because that's be double the width of the other ones, that's 2 times the fringe spacing, the other ones only have to have a spacing of 1 box. And you have to remember the amplitude drops significantly. So the amplitude is going to drop significantly, and I'm going to do a couple on either side. Okay, so key thing again is the intensity drops dramatically, okay, and that the central maximum is double the width of the others. Comment below if you got it right, or if there's any other common mistakes or common misconceptions that things or people normally get wrong in their exam that you would like me to go over.